Dok, anong ano, saan pwede lumapit yung mga babae na may breast cancer pero natatakot sa mga gastusin?
Yeah, magandang tanong yan.
Oo
Kasi we
eh.
have, because of the NICA, no, the government has allotted budget for CSMAP. We call it the Cancer Support Medicine Access Program. So we have 32 access center that they have free medicine from targeted treatment and to chemotherapy hanggang hormonal treatment. So kasama yon. We also have the Cancer Assistance Fund. Yung walang gamot sa CSMAP, they can get a maximum of 150,000 per patient. You can use that for diagnostics or laboratory. Tapos may bago ang PhilHealth. They have the Z package. Initially, the Z package was 100,000 only. Now they increase it to 1.4.
Laki, ah.
Malaki.
Ang laki. So that's one of the program of the government. So ongoing na yon, yung 1.4 million. Because we all know that nung una kasi walang targeted treatment. Ano ba yung targeted treatment? So makikita mo sa breast panel, may ER/PR, may HER2/neu. So kung HER2 positive ka, it is recommended that you give your patient trastuzumab. Ang mahal ng trastuzumab. Alam nyo dati, mga 100,000. Now, because we have biosimilar or generics, you can have it at 25,000.
Mahal pa rin, ano?
But the government, the PhilHealth, has a 55,000 budget for every session for trastuzumab.
Ayun.
So you have to ask the hospital. Kunyari, may pupuntang hospital. Kung isang pasyente, pwede po ba kami sa Z package?
Ayun.
Para matulungan sila. Halos wala na silang babayaran eh.
Paano kung hindi membro ng PhilHealth?
Ay, hindi.
Ano po
Kasi,
option?
di ba, because of the Universal Health Law,
Lahat
all
covered
will be
na.
member of the
Ayun.
PhilHealth. Kahit indigent ka, it will be free.
Ayun.
Because the premium na binabayaran ng kagaya ng nag-work is binabayaran ng konti ng ano yun eh, ng working dun sa mga indigent.
Ayun pala.
That's the universal healthcare.
Oo. Good,
So,
good,
mula
good.
sa pagpapacheck up, Doc, kasama na
Hanggang
yun.
sa...
Sama na yon.
Hanggang sa treatment. Kapag may
Treatment
nakita.
hanggang kailangan mo ng hormonal treatment. But not all Merong mga now, if for example, wala talagang pera, pumasok ka sa gobyerno,
Oo.
the PhilHealth package, yung Z package, kung kulang yung pera, doon papasok ang CSMAP at saka yung CAF, yung Cancer Assistance Fund.
So, there are many ways pala para matulungan ng
And you
isang
have also
breast
the
cancer
LGU
patient.
because of the Mandanas-Garcia law, wherein you download the money from the national to the local government. So there's like for example, for the past year is 250 billion. Now it increased to 950 billion.
Really po?
Yeah, that's based on the 5-year plan, the financing 5-year plan of the government.
Ano po
Lumabas
ito?
na
Anong
'yon.
batas to?
The Mandanas-Garcia law.
Ngayon ko lang narinig to, Papo. Yung Mandanas
Kasi
Garcia law.
marami tayong law na ginawa for the past years to increase the funding for cancer. Kagaya ng yung tobacco and sweetened beverages. The sweetened beverages and yung vape, meron na yan law. Kasi may amended na yan eh. So 50% would go to health. The other, like for vape and tobacco, 100% would go to health also.
Ayun.
So maraming
Nagpupuntahan,
funding.
oo.
Tsaka yan, Universal Health Law, NICA Law. So yun.